When it comes to choosing the best CRM for your sales team, Teamgate versus Pipedrive is a comparison you'll likely come across. But which one really stands out when it comes to driving sales? Well, let's break it down, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which CRM can help you achieve better results. Let's start with Teamgate. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, user-friendly interface. For sales teams looking for simplicity and easy navigation, Teamgate's design is a big plus. It offers a streamlined pipeline that can be customized to match your sales process. However, while it's easy to use, the level of customization is somewhat limited compared to other CRMs. This can be a deal breaker if you have specific, complex needs that require deeper customization. Next thing is automation. Teamgate offers some basic automation features, such as task creation and follow-ups, but it doesn't quite stack up to more feature-rich CRMs like Pipedrive. If you're looking for powerful workflow automation and deeper integrations with third-party tools, you might find Teamgate lacking. However, it is a great choice for smaller sales teams or those that don't require highly sophisticated features. The third thing we need to talk about is Pipedrive's offering. Pipedrive is one of the most popular CRMs in the market, and it's not hard to see why. It's built for sales teams and gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to customization. You can adjust the pipeline stages, set up detailed reporting, and track deals with precision. The visual sales pipeline is especially useful for teams that need a clear overview of their sales process at all times. But here's the catch. Pipedrive has its own set of limitations. While it's highly customizable, the initial setup can be overwhelming, especially for smaller teams. It also lacks some advanced features like robust customer segmentation and email marketing tools, which might force you to rely on third-party apps to fill in the gaps. Next, let's talk about the customer support experience with both CRMs. Teamgate provides 24/7 support, but users have mentioned that response times can be slower during peak hours. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is known for its responsive customer support, but it comes with a premium price tag if you want access to priority support. So, while Pipedrive might offer better support, it's not exactly budget-friendly if you're a small team. Now, one thing that sets both CRMs apart is their mobile apps. Teamgate offers a fairly robust mobile app that allows users to manage their sales pipelines on the go. Pipedrive's app, however, is often hailed as one of the best in the CRM space. It's intuitive, responsive, and enables sales teams to stay connected no matter where they are. And let's not forget about pricing. Teamgate is more affordable, especially for smaller teams that don't need the advanced features Pipedrive offers. Pipedrive, while more expensive, provides a comprehensive range of tools that could justify the cost for medium to larger teams. So, with both tools having their strengths and weaknesses, which one is ultimately better? If you're a small team or just getting started with CRM software, Teamgate offers simplicity and ease of use at a lower cost. But if you're a growing sales team looking for a more scalable solution with a ton of features and integrations, Pipedrive might be worth the investment. But here's the thing, after trying both myself, I found a better alternative for sales teams looking to maximize results. And I'll tell you exactly what that is in a moment. While Teamgate and Pipedrive are good options, if you want a CRM that offers a great balance of affordability, customization, and support, I recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description below. This CRM has everything you need to supercharge your sales process, and through our link, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits, available only to our viewers. So, don't wait. Try it out for yourself and start seeing better results today.